Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today in this exciting tutorial we will be learning about how to create this smooth slideshow reveal logo animation in After Effects. Let's take a look at what we are going to create. That looks super awesome. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon for more amazing tutorials like this. Without any further ado, let's begin. Create a new composition. I will name it as Slideshow Logo Reveal. Width is 1920 and the height is 1080. 25 frames per second. 10-second duration. Click OK. Right-click and create a new solid. Change the color to white. Click OK. Press and hold the rectangle tool and select rounded rectangle tool. We will create a frame for our photo. Make a mask like this. Select the inverted option in the mask one. Now we created the frame for our photos. Click on the group icon in the project panel and I will name it as Images. We will now import our stock photos to our group in the project panel. Drag it to our image group. We now have all the 10 stock images imported. Now select an image and place it below our solid layer. Press S to bring the scale and fit the photo size in the frame. Select both the layer and pre-compose it. I will name it as Photo Holder 1. Click OK. We will now create 10 photo holders for 10 different stock photos. Right-click on the pre-composed layer and select Reveal Layer Source in Project option. Now press Ctrl D 9 times to make 9 photo holder copies. Drag the photo holder 2 below our photo holder 1 layer, double-click on it. Delete the previously used photo and drag a different one below the solid layer. Press S to bring the scale and adjust its size to fit in the frame. Again drag the photo holder 3 below our holder 2 layer, double-click on it and we will replace the image like we did previously. Delete the image by pressing backspace. Drag it below the white solid layer. Once again adjust its size. Go to the main composition. Drag the photo holder 4 below the holder 3 layer. Double-click on it and replace the image. We will keep doing this process till all the 10 photo holder are stacked in our timeline with 10 different photos. Now we have all the 10 photo holders stacked in our timeline. By holding Shift, select all the layers and press S to bring the size. Change the size to 90%. Minimize the layers. Now create a new solid and I will use a pale yellow color, since it's going to be the background for this animation. I will name it as BG. Click OK. Place the BG layer below all the layers. Minimize the canvas using the scroll option in the mouse. Select the BG layer and expand both the height and width like this. Press P to bring the position and drag it upwards until it reaches the end. Again increase its size. The reason we're increasing the size is because we're going to stack photos one above another. We want our background to cover all the photos that we're about to stack. Now select the photo holder 2 and press P to bring the position. Drag the photo above like this. Half of the photo holder 2 layer should be covered by the above layer, which is photo holder 1, like this. Each photo must be covered by half of the other above photo. Drag it little to the left to give more details. Now select the photo holder 3 layer and press P to bring the position. Drag it above again, place it behind the holder 2 layer. Please don't forget that half of the image should be covered by the above layer. Just like that. This time move the photo little to the right. Again select the photo holder 4 layer and press P to bring the position and place it above. As you see that half of the photo holder 4 is covered by photo holder 3. Drag the image to the left. We will keep doing this process till we finish all the 10 photos. Drag it to the right. Now we stacked all the 10 photos. If I play it, nothing happens. To animate it, we will create a null object. Right-click on it and select Null Object. Select all the layers except our null object layer. You can see this pick web icon here. Press the pick icon and drag it to the null 1 layer. As you can see that all the layers are parented to the null 1 layer, which means if I move the null 1 layer's position, then all the layers that parented to this null layer will also move. Now make sure the indicator is at the first frame. Press P to bring the position and keyframe it. Place the indicator at 6 seconds. Drag the position all the way to the top of the stacked photos. Like this. Now let's play it. That looks good, but it's a bit fast. Place the last keyframe at 7th second. Play it again. Now that looks perfect. Drag the indicator and see when our first photo about to go down. Select the photo holder 1 and press P to bring the position. Keyframe it right where our first photo about to go down. Now take the indicator to 9 frames to the right. Like this. Then drag the photo to the right using the position. Don't drag it all the way to the end. Place it right over here. Highlight the keyframe and press F9 to ease it. Now again drag the indicator to the right and see when our second photo about to go below. Select the photo holder 2 and press P to bring the position, then keyframe it. Take the indicator to 9 frames to the right. And drag the photo to the left. Highlight the keyframe and press F9 to ease it. We will keep doing this process until we finish all the photo holder layers. Take the indicator where our third photo about to go below. Keyframe the position of the photo holder 3. Again take the indicator to 9 frames to the right. This time drag the photo to the right. Make sure it's aligned perfectly with below layers. Highlight it and press F9 to ease it. Keep arranging the photos, one right and one left. At the end we should have 5 photos in the right and 5 photos in the left. Now we finished animating the photos left and right. Let's play it and see how it looks. That looks super good. Now we will create that zoom out effect. Right-click and create a new null object. Select the null 1 layer. We will parent this layer to our null 2 layer. Take the pick web of null 1 layer and place it onto the null 2 layer to parent it. Now if we move the null 2 layer's position, then all the layers below will also move. Since where all the layers are parented to null 1 layer, select the null 2 layer and press P to bring the position. By holding Shift press R and S to bring both the scale and rotation. Take the indicator where our final photo about to move. Keyframe the position, scale and rotation. Take the indicator to 1 second duration to the right. Change the rotation to 90 degree. Decrease the scale size to 50. Drag the position to the right like this. Make sure that all 10 photos are shown. Adjust the size accordingly, like this. Now that looks perfect. Highlight the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Now take the text tool and type in the name you want. I will type in our channel name gentlepsd. Place it in the center and increase its size. We will now import our logo. Drag the logo to our project panel, then drag it to the canvas like this. Press S to bring the scale and decrease its size. Place it over here. Decrease the text size and place it here. Select both the logo and text layer. Right-click on it and pre-compose it. I will name it as Logo and Title. Click OK. Place the logo and title layer below our placeholder 10 layer. Take the pick web of the logo layer, drag and place it on the null 1 layer. Place the indicator where our animation is about to rotate and zoom out. Make sure that our logo and title layer is selected. Press Ctrl-Shift-D to split the layer in two. Take the pick web of the splitted above logo and title layer. Drag and place it onto our null 2 layer, so that our logo and title will follow both the null 1 and null 2 layer. Let's play it and see how it looks. That looks super good. As you see that our logo and title follows the animation perfectly and it looks really good. We will now add more details to make it look more dynamic. Now go to the Effects and Preset panel. Type in Drop Shadow. Drag the drop shadow onto our photo holder 1 layer. In the Effects Control panel, increase the softness to 57 and distance to 2. Select the drop shadow and press Ctrl-C to copy the effect. Select all the photo holder layers, except photo holder 1. Press Ctrl-E to paste it. Now we applied the drop shadow to all the photo layers. By holding Ctrl, select the right side photo layers. Press R to bring the rotation. Change the rotation to 2. Select photo 3 and 6 and change its rotation to -2. Now we will select the left side photos. Press R to bring the rotation and rotate it to -2. Select any 2 photos from left side and change the rotation to 2. Apply motion blur option to all the photo holder layers by clicking on this first box. Now change all the layers into 3D layers. Click on this box to enable it as 3D layers. Right-click and create a new 20mm camera. Go to Transform in the camera. Take the indicator to where our animation about to end. Keyframe the position. Take the indicator to 10th second. Drag the position to the left to zoom out a little. This will create that nice smooth zoom out effect. Highlight and press F9 to ease it. Let's play the final animation and see how it looks. That looks amazing. As you see, we now have that smooth zoom out effect. We are finally at the end of our tutorial. Before we end this tutorial, I just want you to know that your support is the source of my motivation. So keep supporting and I will keep making the best tutorials for you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comments section. I will reply to it as soon as I can. Hit the subscribe button for more amazing tutorials like this. Hit the like button if you like this video. Until our next tutorial, stay happy. Thank you.